That would made an awesome YouTube video. Why is everybody so scared of YouTube?
I already have a YouTube, and I'm just.
I have a YouTube channel.
I sing online, and I don't do music well.
What? Make videos for the peoples?
I sing.
Crazy.
I sing to people because they want to hear my voice.
No, they don't.
What is your YouTube channel called?
My name's Jeff.
No, it's not.
No, anybody could tell you that, except that kid. Nothing. What happened to your hair?
His YouTube video is like called Isaac McDavid. Yeah, and mine is this.
You don't know. Why are you is everybody so scared of a camera? I'm not scared of videos, I'm just scared of pictures.
Later, whenever we get to our house, I'm gonna do the makeup challenge. So
I'm gonna vomit.
why?
Do the cinnamon challenge. Buy some. This is lame.
He stuck his butt on his shoulder. I'm like, how's that possible? Why do you like taking videos of the sky?
Because I got nothing better to do. Mason's not here.
Mason's right there.
Yeah, but he's not sitting here yet. I'm stuck to you two. No offense.
You just been.
This is lame.
I would try to see with him in that way, but I don't want to have Candace because
She's going to office like that. Okay, nice.
Busted. The scenery looks nice.
Okay, just kidding. $50.
Oh, she said $50.
Yeah, you know we would go to the strip clubs.